Hello and welcome to the course Building Serverless Applications by Pack Publishing. My name is Marcia Villalba. I'm a full-stack developer with more than 10 years of experience developing backends. And also, I have many years of experience building AWS applications. I work in companies like Nokia, IBM, and Rovio, the creators of Angry Birds. I'm an AWS community hero mostly because of all the content I produce in my YouTube channel where I upload videos related to the cloud, serverless, and other software engineering practices. Also, I'm very active in Twitter, sharing interesting news about AWS, serverless, and software engineer topics in general. This course is divided in 6 sections, in which you will learn the basics of serverless applications, and we will build together a serverless application. The first section is the introduction, where you will learn all the basic concepts related to serverless, what it is, when to use it, but also we will create an AWS account and you will start working on your first AWS Lambda and API gateway. In section 2, we will focus on API gateway and how it relates to AWS Lambda. Also, we will learn more about event-driven architectures. In section 3, we will be learning more about AWS Lambda, how to monitor it and read its logs. Also, we will learn about our lab application and start creating it. I tell you what it is. We are building a Slack bot. In section 4, we will dive into DynamoDB, that is a fully managed database from AWS, and we will learn how to do basic operations onto Dynamo tables from AWS using the AWS SDK. In section 5, we will continue working with DynamoDB, learning more about complex operations like querying and scanning. We will also dive into the AWS permission systems. That is very important to understand how AWS works. Section 6 is the last section, where we will learn about how to schedule a Lambda and also how to send HTTP requests from AWS to other services. And this is how the lab will look at the end. Woo! To follow this course, you will need to know how to use your terminal, have some basic knowledge of JavaScript and Node.js, and basic understanding of how HTTP and REST works. Also, to create the AWS account, you will need to have a valid credit card and a phone that can accept calls. But don't worry about your credit card getting charged. Everything that we are going to do falls into the AWS free tier. In this course, you will learn the basic concept of what is serverless, when to use it, and you will create a working serverless application. Also, you will learn some fundamental concepts of AWS like the permission systems and CloudFormation. You will get hands-on experience on using serverless framework. You will build AWS Lambda and API gateways. You will learn how to operate a DynamoDB table from AWS Lambda. And also you will learn the basics on how to create a Slack application. I hope you enjoy this course.